Okay, this here's my 2005 F-150. A few months ago, the timing chain and the oil pump went out of it. I had a mechanic look it over, and they said the frame was fine, just some surface rust. So I went ahead and spent the money mechanically and had this thing fixed. But if you look right in here, that is a pretty big hole in the frame. That is way more than surface rust. So how much do you guys think that's going to cost to get fixed? And do you think it can be fixed? I've already spent close to $5,000 in this truck getting it mechanically fixed. Between having the exhaust fixed, the engine fixed, and a lot of the stuff under the front end fixed. Continue around here to the driver's side. If you look here at the frame on this side, it is starting to do the same thing as the passenger side. So why don't you guys go ahead and comment down below if you guys think this can be fixed and how much it's going to cost to fix it. Like I said, I've already spent close to $5,000 fixing this truck mechanically, plus having the exhaust done. So, yeah, I'm gonna look around and see if I can find someone that can fix this. Comment down below what you think it's gonna cost to fix and if it can be fixed. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.